Hey y'all, it's Carter from Awkward Styles. It's time for another product review. Today I present to you the perfect everyday tote bag, the Econscious EC8000. Let's take a closer look. With this tote, Econscious has crafted the perfect bag to carry you through your day. It's roomy, with a capacity of up to 30 pounds, and it's great for carrying books, groceries, your laptop, etc., all while looking trendy. This Econscious tote bag is made from 100% certified organic cotton, free from synthetic substances or any harmful chemicals, and making it an eco-friendly and fashionable alternative to single-use plastic bags. It's a medium-sized bag, a bit larger than the EC8040 which we previously reviewed, measuring 16 by 14.5 by 5 inches. It's mid-weight with a fabric weight of 8 ounces per square yard, and it features 1-inch wide self-fabric straps with a 24.5-inch length. We customized this EC8000 tote bag at Awkward Styles, using direct-to-garment printing. Its 100% organic cotton composition makes it a great choice for DTG. You can upload your designs on this Econscious tote bag at Awkward Styles for $14.95 or as low as $13.95 with our Pro plan. Order samples today and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and guides to get you started selling with Awkward Styles. Is there something we haven't covered yet? Let us know in the comments. See you next time.